Hi, welcome to EtherAuthority. In this presentation, I'll show you how you can deploy Ethereum smart contract very easily, very quickly. First, go to the remix.ethereum.org website. It will show the interface like this. First you have to do is, I think you can click on create here new files, or if you see any of the files here, you can open up any one. For example, you can open up this one, delete all the things in there, and paste your smart contract solidity code which you want to deploy. For our testing purpose, I will leave this one as it is, just for the testing. But in here you have to put your own code. Now let's say you don't want to do this, then you can click close this, and you can create a new file, name it, okay, and here you can paste your new solidity code. Everything is the same thing, so I will go ahead and do it with my test, this main.sol file. So I have this solidity code. First thing that you have to do is, first you have to compile the code. For that, go to this icon for the plugin manager, write compile. This is search for plugin called solidity compiler. Just activate that, so you will see this one activated here. You will want one more called run. So if you can write run, then it's a deploy and run transaction. Activate that as well. For now this is enough. You can also add as many plugins as you want, depending on whether you are a developer or you need any of those. But for now we just need these two. Alright, now go to compile solidity compiler, select the compiler version. So it should be the one which is listed here. So as you can see now is 0.5.16, so I'll select 0.5.16. Once it is selected, it will take a while to load the compiler. Yeah, it's done. Now just press compile button. That's it. It will basically do all the compilation and make this solidity code into a machine language, which is called 010101 machine language. Alright, so the compiler has finished. As you can see, this is green. Once this is done, go to run, and in here click on injected web3, this one. It will open up the MetaMask notification to, okay, one moment. Connect. Alright, so it's basically you will need a MetaMask plugin to do the transaction. Currently at the moment I am on Rinky by test network, but this same thing can work on main network. So if you are deploying the contract for mainnet Ethereum, then please select the according to the network. For testing, I'm selecting Rinky by test network, and once that is set up, it's really simple. So everything is good. At this particular contract is asking for the input constructor parameters, which I can put any for the testing purpose, but ideally it should be whatever the constructor parameters that is required to deploy the contract. So basically you can just press deploy. If you, for example, if you don't have any of these inputs, don't worry, just press deploy button. If you have any parameters required, just put those parameters and click deploy. Let the transaction confirm. Just wait like 2 minutes. You can click on this link, so it will open up here in Etherscan, so we can see how long time will it take. Just give it like 1 minute or something. Alright, so smart contract has been deployed. You can click on this contract address. So this is the smart contract address, this is the smart contract address, okay, and this we just deployed 20 seconds ago. Alright, so this is how you deploy the smart contract. In another video I'll show you how you can verify the smart contract. So for example, oh, by the way, this smart contract was already deployed. The same smart contract was deployed before, so that's why they automatically verified this. based on another smart contract deployed this, but otherwise in your case it wouldn't be. So in that case, in another video I'll show you how you can verify this smart contract. So basically it will show this kind of verified information on Etherscan. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, please comment below in the video.